Hi guys, welcome back. If you're here for the first time, my name is Amy, and today I'm going to share with you 5 different ways to make money with Canva. I'll even share with you the proper way to deliver those items, and if you stick around to the end, I'll even share 2 bonus ways, so stay tuned. Number 1. The first thing that you could create are Canva templates. Those are those designs you see under design, and when you place them on your workspace, we have a whole bunch of different elements that make up this template, and people can just click into the different text boxes and they can edit the text and then use it for their own. Now, I want to make one thing really clear here. You cannot just go to design and select any of these templates and then resell them. You have to actually create your own template using Canva's shapes, graphics, any of the elements available here, whether they're free elements or pro elements. And you need to create a unique design, and then you can sell that Canva template. You can post your product on Etsy, Shopify, Gumroad, or any other digital product store, and then you would link back to a Canva template. Now, you do have to have Canva Pro in order to share your Canva template link. You don't want to be sharing your original design because then people will be able to edit that original design and make changes to it. So you want to copy a Canva template link. You want to place that as the item that they're going to receive when that purchase is complete, and this link will be sent to them so that they can open up that template in Canva, ready for them to edit that item. Some of the templates that you can create can be geared towards medical services or real estate services or a service industry that's popular. Number 2 are planners, whether they are digital planners or planners that you can print off. This is the second product that you can create and post in your shop. Now, for digital planners or printable planners, you want to be careful on whether you are using Canva free elements or Canva Pro elements. If you are using Canva Pro elements, you must return the buyer back to a Canva template link. And again, you would do that by coming to share and creating that template link that you're going to give to them once they complete their purchase so that they can download the product on their own. This is how element creators get paid. They get paid when their products or elements are downloaded from Canva. So to avoid breaching Canva's terms and conditions, if you are using Canva Pro elements, return the buyer back to a Canva template link. If you're not using Canva Pro items, or maybe you're using AI generated items, then you can complete a final product and export it as a PDF, and then you can provide that PDF to the customer. Let's talk a little bit more about Canva template links and what you can do when you are selling a bundle or a group of Canva templates or a group of Canva planners. One thing that you can do instead of sending your customer individual Canva templates is you can prepare a PDF document or one Canva template and then list all of the links on one page. So that is another option instead of providing your customer with individual Canva template links. When you are creating Canva templates, you'll want to make sure that you are creating that Canva template for customers that can use the free version of Canva. What will happen is if you create Canva templates that have Canva Pro elements, your customers will be required to pay for those Canva Pro elements when they download that design, unless they have Canva Pro. So just be cognizant of the fact that if you are using Canva Pro elements in your Canva templates, make sure that you are saying that in your product description, that your product contains Canva Pro elements. That way the buyer knows that if they're going to buy your template, they'll need to have Canva Pro, or they'll need to pay for those Pro elements upon download, or maybe even replace those Canva Pro elements with free elements in the Canva library. And finally, if you are using AI to generate images, please do it responsibly, because not everything that AI produces is okay for you to redistribute. You'll want to do a reverse image search to make sure that that item isn't trademarked or copyright, or it doesn't belong to someone else. The last thing you want is to sell something for a couple of dollars and then be sued for thousands of dollars. The third way that you can make money with Canva is by providing live classes and sharing your knowledge about Canva and promoting the fact that you do Canva classes. Now, this is my website, and if you want, you can come on over and view my website and see how I itemize my classes and the ways that people can enroll in my classes. The fourth way that you can make money with Canva is by creating your own course, and then by marketing that course and providing it on a server like YouTube or in a hub like Udemy or school platform. When you are delivering your course, you want to make sure that you're making it user-friendly for both Canva Pro and Canva free users. Number 5 is offering your design services, whether that be creating a unique flyer or template, or maybe it's creating a logo or a Canva template. These are services that you can market and make money from. And of course, when you are sharing your designs, you'll want to provide your customer with a Canva template link, especially if you are using Canva Pro elements. They'll likely want to edit that final product at one point or another. So it is good practice to be providing them with that Canva template link, not only because they can go back and they can edit that product or design, but also so that if you are using Canva Pro elements, when they download the design, the element creator gets paid for the elements that are used. If you are creating a one-off product, one product for one customer, then it's okay to create a PDF if that's what the customer wants, or a PNG or a JPEG design as a final product. And for bonus item number 2, you can create digital products like Canva drag and drop frames that are incorporated into designs, like this one here. And this design doesn't have to be just a digital product that you're providing the customer with. You can actually use this design 2 different ways. One, you can provide this design with that Canva drag and drop frame to your customer via a Canva template link, or you can create a final product with the customer's photo and then download it as a JPEG or a PNG or a PDF and provide it to your customer as a final product. So there you have it. I've given you 7 different ideas to get started making money with Canva. What did you think? Is there one idea that spikes your interest more than another? Let's take a look at the summary. All right, so in our chart, we can see number 1 is Canva templates. Then we have digital planners and printable planners. We have Canva classes, Canva courses, design services, logo creation, and digital products. And next to each idea or product idea is how to deliver your product. Now, if you need to, you can pause this right here and take a screenshot and then save it for when you need to refer to it. Now, if you're curious on how to get started creating any of these items, you can browse through my Canva tutorials, you can join my live classes, or you can join my YouTube channel membership to get access to my members' videos. And let me know, are you interested in using Canva for any of these items? Let me know in the comments below. If you have questions, let me know in the comments as well. If you want to hear more about how to join my live classes, ask me in the comments and I'll give you more information. Did you like this video? Press the like button, subscribe, and turn your notification bells on. All right, guys, for now, I'll say bye-bye. Until next time.